guys, so I got this wig from Original Queen Hair and it's so pretty. Like the lace is super thin. First of all, I like it because it's really soft. The hair is really soft. I just got it, I plucked it, and I bleached the knots and everything. So if you're an installer, I already put the I put the makeup on the lace already. Every time I do have to film on camera, I never have a good ball cap, but whatever. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put some more powder on it, just on the front part. I'm gonna go and cut in some of the lace off because I don't need all of this lace right now. So I'm gonna go and slit. You can like slit right here to clip this back. I need another clip. And then of course I'm gonna use my Erica J glue. And then I'm gonna go and spread it out with the back of my rata comb, and then I'm just gonna keep it on with this. I really need glasses, y'all. Like I be really struggling, but I just kind of struggle in silence. So if I'm ever just looking like cannot see because I can't, I have astigmatism. And yeah, it was so funny because when I was little, I would literally be like praying for glasses. For some reason, I don't know, I was like a weird kid. I really took for granted my 20/20 vision. It's probably because like all my family had glasses.
Baby girl, East Coast, Dallas, West Coast, say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel? Baby girl, East Coast, Dallas, West Coast, say what? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel? Baby girl, East Coast, West Coast, can you feel us? Dirty South, here we go. Can y'all really feel? Baby girl, East Coast, Dallas, West Coast, say what? Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, can y'all really feel? Can y'all really feel? Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, can y'all really feel? Say what? Baby girl, can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, can y'all really feel? Can y'all really feel? Can you feel us? Dirty South, dirty, can y'all really feel? Say what?
Baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you? Baby, won't you meet me by the too early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is when I visit.
It's gonna be a day in my life. So first I'm showing you how I installed my hair. So this is the finished look of my hair, which is really cute. I really love curly hair, and yeah, this is cool. I think I'm gonna wear it today. It's working, so I'm gonna put my hair back, and then yeah, so I'm gonna go pick up my packages. I have a package and I'm so excited because I think that's my brand new Blackwood bag, so I'm gonna go get that right now. Okay, so before I go get the bag, I'm going to, I hope it's the bag because if it's not, then I'm gonna be mad. I'm going to print out my Depop shipping labels. I have a few things to ship on Depop. If you don't follow me on Depop, you should go ahead and follow me. Basically it just shows you, like, it'll say view shipping label, then you click that and then it will show you the shipping label. Basically the shipping label comes up and I just print it from my laptop. Depop is definitely so cool. I love using Depop. I use it all the time. So I have 3 things to ship. I have a wig and I have a shirt and some pants. So I'm gonna ship that now. So. Okay, so I got the package. Hope to see it. This is Brandon Blackwood. Oh my gosh. Blackwood. Oh my gosh. The note says, thank you so much for shopping the brand. I hope you love your new items as much as I love designing them. Can't wait to see how you style it. That's so cool. Then it comes with its own little duster bag, each one. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's so fire. This one came way faster than the other one. I think the other one was pre-order. Opens like this. I think these are, and it has like the strap right here. This strap is thicker than my original one. And the inside is also purple interior. Oh my gosh. I'm like literally so excited. And then my green one, stuff like open inside, has interior. It's a little bit different from my other bag, which I don't mind. I'm gonna take out. And then this is how it is. It's kind of like, this is the size of it. So yeah, these are what my bags look like. Ooh, it's so pretty. See, this strap is a little bit, like it's thick, but it's not as, maybe not actually. They just look satin. And this one's like a canva material. Adding to my collection. You guys don't know, Brandon Blackwood is a black designer, and I love that. I think his bags are better than Telfar. Don't shoot me, but yeah, they definitely are, and they're less expensive. So each one of these were $80. So this one was 80, and then this one was 80, and then sometimes this one goes on sale. Like sometimes you have sales and stuff. So yeah, definitely get your Brandon Blackwood bag. I'll probably leave it down below. I love it, and I feel like the quality is better than Telfar. I don't personally own a Telfar, but some of my friends do, and then when I compare my quality with theirs, it's literally better. And it's less expensive, still black designer, and it's fire. Like you have a little bit more, I don't know, it's just so cute. This is like a limited edition collection, so yeah, I just can't wait to add up my collection, like Birkin bags. I don't know, I really like black designers, and whenever I can get, I want my wardrobe to be like literally 90% black designers. And then, so I shipped out my Depop orders, and I'm really hungry, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna cook something or if I'm going to order something. I'm trying not to order anything, but I do have DoorDash credit, so I just eat the same thing all the time. I'm really tired of it, so I want to eat something else. Like I would literally eat salmon and rice every single day. So, but yeah, if you guys don't know, I'm pescatarian, so mainly most of my diet is like fish and like, you know, veggies and stuff like that. So I did a lot of stuff on my to-do list. I'm about to actually get it. So this is my to-do list. Sorry, I'm eating some lifesavers. I have these ones. I love candy. If you don't know, I love candy. Ship out Depop orders, did that. I did my Zara haul and uploaded that and cross it out. My hair, get ready with me. Depop orders, pick up packages. I did that video. I literally did everything I needed in my to-do list. Create more stuff to do. I might go get my sample from my sample maker from something that I'm getting done for Denim the Label. If you guys don't know, Denim the Label is my brand. I will leave it links down below so you guys can shop if you want to. And there's a lot of more stuff that's coming to the website, so just keep a lookout for it. But yeah, I love Denim the Label. Right now I'm wearing the lashes from Denim the Label. I believe these are the Last Style Jean. I would like literally forget because I don't have the packaging to mine that I wear all the time anymore. Like I wear mine so much, like I wear them like 2 months worth of just one pair of lashes. So yeah. Okay, so I just got food. I'm still in my bag of it, but it's Chinese food. Oh, I hate when they get my food wrong. Like it's really not hard. I literally ordered one thing. I cannot eat this. It's like, okay, I ordered shrimp and they gave me meat. Like this is every single time I order food, they just get it wrong. And it's so disappointing because it's not like I can choose to eat it. I don't eat it. And then the bag is just spilling everywhere. Like this is horrible. Sorry, it's the worst order. I've ordered shrimp fried rice. I don't know what this is. They gave me white rice with this, and they got me shrimp and broccoli. I ordered shrimp and broccoli, but also ordered shrimp fried rice. So I can have options, and I'm so disappointed. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and I have a photo shoot today. So I'm gonna try to take you guys along. I just got ready, and I'm going to go and take pictures. I'm going to the Arts District in Los Angeles. So yeah, I'm gonna take pictures of myself there, and then after that, go to my photo shoot. So hopefully I can take you guys along the journey. And yeah, I just put my hair in a ponytail. This hair is super nice. Like the lace is so thin. I love this hair so much. So check out the link for the hair down below. And yeah, I can show you guys my outfit. So this is my outfit. This top is IMG. These pants I made, so they're coming very soon to you. And then this puffer jacket is from Tiger Mist, and then these shoes are from probably StockX. Yeah, the weather is pretty nice today. Like, it's actually pretty nice. It was pretty gloomy and rainy yesterday, and no one wants to deal with that, so I really didn't do anything yesterday. Well, I like filmed and stuff, but I didn't go outside for real. So I want to get back to posting every day on Instagram, so we're trying to be consistent. Today is a Saturday. It'll be basically like a little weekend in my life. I also have a photo shoot tomorrow. Plan out the mood board for that, so I probably should be doing that now. I have a to-do list today, so I got like 3 things done on my to-do list, which is the video, and I got ready. I packed my photo shoot bag. Having an agenda book has definitely really helped me. I was watching this girl's video yesterday. Her name is Trinity. I just love her videos. I was really like binge watching them, and she was like talking about her spiritual journey and like her journaling and doing manifestations and stuff like that. And I want to get back into doing that and just seeing, because I know like it really helped me improve a lot. So definitely want to do that. I want to put a little bit of powder right here. I use a different powder today, and I kind of like it. Looks a little more airbrushed. It's the Maybelline powder. Some powder on my head and wait for my Uber. So yeah, I'll just see you guys do today. I just made us an artist stick, so I'm gonna try to find a picture location. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just walking around. It's really nice over here actually. I've only been here a few times, but it's actually nice. It smells like dog food. There's a lot of people outside, I don't know why, but it's LA for you. But yeah, this camera is like really, really heavy. Okay, hi guys, this is Chris. I just met him.
Yeah,
wait,
I met her here in downtown LA.
Yeah, I was just walking around, and he's a photographer, so check him out. I'll leave his name right here on the screen. So it's View Chris, right? Yeah. View Chris. So yeah, if you guys wanna shoot, if you're in LA, hit him up because he's working. Took some really good pictures. You wanna show them? Look at this, so pretty. Fire. When they get edited, they're gonna be so much even better. They're already really, really good. So, zooming in. Okay, but yeah. So it was nice meeting Chris. I just walked around and I just met him. So you guys met him as well. So yeah, I just took my pictures for Instagram, and I also got some on my phone. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I know I have a shoot at 3 o'clock. I don't know what time it is. So yeah, see you guys later. So I'm back home. I went to the Arts District and took some pictures, and then I had a maze bowls. And I'm kind of hungry, so I'm just got Starbucks. Even though I don't really want to get Starbucks, but they're the closest, like, fastest thing here. So got cheese Danish and a regular cake, and then I already packed for my shoot, so I'm gonna call my Uber. I'm gonna head to the shoot now. Hey guys, I'm at the shoot now. Pinky doesn't want to show himself. And Quitter is getting ready, but whatever, she's on it. Anyway, I just want to introduce, this is the setup. This is what it looks like. It's really cool, in-home studio. And then this is the vibe. I don't know why it's not focusing, but there we go. This is what we're going for. You want to introduce yourself?
Just woke up. Oh yes, welcome to Cordier Creates. I'm here.
Period.
Trying to create as much as possible.
Yeah, so follow him. We got 2 photographers in the building. Okay. She don't really want to be shown, but Pinky and
Pinky Studio. She just made a year.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
There we go.
A year of creation.
Yes, period. So we're gonna work. Hey guys, I'm at the shoot. This is the look for today. This is the look. So, introduce yourself. Hey.
Instagram, post shot it. Follow me.
Okay.
Two of the best shooters in the Midwest. No cap.
Okay. No cap. I'll leave their Instagrams on the screen so you guys go follow them. And we're finna shoot today. So yeah, I don't know what else to say.
Black leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, that foot slide, that foot up.
Okay, so we finished the shoot. It was pretty cool. I think I got some good shots. What do you guys think?
Hey, man. I think, to be honest, I'm looking at like that. To be honest, I think we did a good job. I don't know.
Okay.
You probably broke the internet.
Okay.
I'll be honest with you. I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. We probably broke the internet, but my opinion.
Okay.
Y'all see that?
We'll see.
All right. Well, we broke the internet, and hopefully you guys see the pictures. Also follow them, and yeah, this is probably it for the weekend in my life. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.
Okay.